What's up, guys? Today we're doing glitter versus fluffy, and this is pretty much how it works. So we're gonna pull out this, and whatever one we get, that's what we're gonna be making. And so then we're gonna make it, but then you guys have to comment down below who do you think is gonna win. But we're on channel Fun and Beyond.
Yeah, and we have a spoon because we're making slime. What's up, guys? Today we're going to make slime, fluffy, our glitter, and we have the ingredients: the bowl, of course, the shaving cream, 2 glues, because we're going to make a lot. And we have red and blue. And we have green and silver glitter. And we have a spoon and a bowl. And we have shaving cream. So
Now we're gonna draw, and now we're gonna comment down below who do you think's gonna get the fluffy or glitter. My name is Ambria. Who do you think I'm gonna get? Fluffy or glitter? You have 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Get that
Time's up.
And we have, of course, what's this?
Borax.
Borax, because that's actually how you make slime, is borax. And fluffy or glitter, I want glitter, she wants fluffy, I want glitter, but this is going to be the hard part. We have to pick, and I want glitter, she wants fluffy. Let's get on with the video.
We're back, Enrica. I chose fluffy.
I chose glitter.
And
We actually picked out the bowl.
yeah.
And
we're gonna go ahead and get started.
Let's put that glue.
So we're gonna pour our glue.
That's the important part, the only glue. The whole bottom? I never did this before.
I'm just gonna take this whole cap off.
Yeah, me too. And this is not going to.
Oh. Oh, that comes out way faster.
Good.
If you guys are going on YouTube, and making slime videos, I would for sure take off the cap of the glue. Okay.
How do you do this?
Okay, it's sticking to the bottle.
Mine's sticky.
Okay, where do I put it? Okay.
Ah.
Time to do it again. Time to take off this. Whoop. Now I'm gonna
I'm scribbling, guys. I'm going to try to make it.
Now I'm gonna put a bottle of shaving cream in. Okay.
That comes out faster. You're right, Ambria. It comes out fast. Better than the scribble.
Okay.
I'm still coloring. Stop, boy. No, it's bubbling.
It's farting on me.
Wow, this is so cool. I'm putting glue on a bubble. That's so cool, and it's not
I
even
did that.
popping. I mean, it's not even.
Okay, now I'm gonna use my scooper to put that in. Get off.
Maybe that's not what you do.
Done. Now it's time to add 2 drops of food coloring.
Okay, my turn. Where's your shaving cream? That's the next bottom.
Oops.
I'm putting more glue. We're gonna make glue. I'm gonna make.
Now I'm gonna add 2 drops of this. Eye drops. Hold on, I'm getting it.
Mommy, I cannot do this.
Oh, wow.
Okay, make glitter slime. That's mixed it up. Oh my gosh, this is so cool.
This is way more cool. Whoa. Wow. This is so so pretty.
Hey, it's almost slime. Mine is getting slime.
Yeah.
Mine's already turning into slime.
Mine is too. Mine's already turning into slime, yo. And this is my mascot.
That's some CD. Guys, I got another slime. Let's put a horse in.
Tons of glitter. I know you can win.
Yeah, better. It looks like pepper. It kind of looks like pepper. No, it looks like ants.
Mommy, I need more glue.
It looks like ants. It looks like ants right now. My glitter looks like ants, Andrea. Andrea, my glitter looks like ants.
My fluff. I need more fluff, you guys.
You guys, my glitter actually looks like ants living in water.
This turned out to be a really big fail. Mine's too liquidy and hers is too clumpy.
And glittery. Mine's actually slime. Already.
It's ugly.
Yeah. Yours is ugly. This is actually.
Oh my god. This is so check out with us next week because
Let's go down.
we're getting new glue and now we're gonna see part 2 to see how it turns out.
And we're not gonna this time.
Look at
If
my
you get
hands.
glitter, if you get glitter this time, we're not gonna use too much glitter. Mine is super ugly.